babe. This is his best friend, the sugar-coated squirrel, Nutty.
Oh yeah.
Today we're playing Ruby's Nightmare. That's right, babe. We're playing Ruby's Nightmare. Ruby's Nightmare! Yeah, and they made Max and Ruby to a horror game, and there's a 0004 reference. Okay, so we're gonna play a new game that's similar to our first nightmare. And let's see if it's lame, or fun, or scary.